overnight. Now I am going to transfer this into cooker and cook it up to 3 whistles with some salt and black pepper. Add more water. Just add so that the grains get thick. This much of water, because we are going to reuse this water for cooking. Add some salt. If you have black salt, you can add black salt. That is good. And some peppercorns. Crush it and just add it. Add it. Close the lid and wait for 3 minutes. Choles are cooked. They are soft. See, it should be easily mashable with your fingers. Then these are done. Now we'll start the cooking of this. Oil around 2 tablespoons, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of ghee. It's optional. I'm using jeera, red chilies, 2 green chilies chopped, bay leaf, cardamom, 4 cloves, and cinnamon. First add the jeera, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, cinnamon. Saute it for a while. Now add red chilies, 2 large onions chopped. I have taken 2 large onions. I have chopped them. Also. Now saute them until onion turns pink. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Adding ginger garlic paste, saute well. Add teaspoon of turmeric. I have taken 4 large tomatoes and pureed it by mixing it. Now I am going to add this tomato puree into it. Tomatoes puree is cooked well. Now we will add teaspoon of red chili powder. Add according to your taste. I am adding the red chili powder. Add teaspoon of jeera powder. Teaspoons of coriander powder. You can see these masalas are leaving the oil. At this point, we have already added tablespoon of salt for the chanas. Now I am adding 1 more tablespoon and adjust it according to the taste. Add the chana along with the water. So only I told you not to add more water while pressure cooking it, just to dip these grains. So little water should be added. Now I am adding this chana along with the water. And we have put some pepper, that also you have to transfer it into the pan. Now this need to be cooked for a while. After these are cooked well, we will add some kasuri methi and bring it down. Kasuri methi and turn off the stove. I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of maida. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well thoroughly first, and you have to mix this with lukewarm water. At this point, now go on adding lukewarm water and knead it soft but tight dough. It is for baturas. It should not be too loose like for chapatis and all. It will be soft but tight dough. Now I have taken lukewarm water. I'm adding slowly, bit by bit. Add some amount of oil and smear it. Just mix it like that and leave it for half an hour. It will become soft. Afterwards we cannot knead it more, so that we have to have nice aeration inside. The dough is soft. Now close it and allow it to rest for half an hour. Puri stuffing, I am frying little jeera, dry curry leaves, 2 red chilies. Dry roast them without adding any oil or anything. Just dry roast them. And we are going to mix it with the paneer. Transfer it into a mixing jar and grind it. A pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Not more, little. Just for the seasoning. These are grinded coarsely. Now we will take this into a bowl and mix it with some grated paneer. Some paneer into the masalas what we have grinded coarsely. The chili, curry leaves and the cumin and salt. A little bit. Or you can mash it also. Nicely smooth. I have grated it. You can see the paneer and the masalas are mixed well. This we are going to stuff it in the baturas. Dough for batura has been rested for 30 minutes. You can see nicely it is fermented. You can see the layers inside. Nicely aerated. Now you should not knead it more. Just press it and cut it into small pieces. Stuff the dough with small teaspoon of the stuffing what we have prepared. Press it inside and close it like what we do for the parathas. Now press it into puris. Some oil, base. Press it into small puris. This baturas taste great with chole, and I promise you, with the stuffing, it will be a different baturas. We have to fry this in high flame. The oil is hot. Fry the baturas. The batura, stuffed batura. You can see the nice filling inside. Yes, it tastes great with the chole.